Hello, everybody, and welcome to your second session. So this is again, we're continuing what we left off last time. We started writing our code and we stopped at this part of the lesson where we looked at the quotes. And to remember that we have in Python, we have three kind of quotes. Just to remember the quotes, let's go here. Yeah, so I have single quotes, double quotes, right? And I have single and double quotes at the same time. And we stop that. We have to do something for the thing when I have single and double quotes. But let me remove this. I'll keep it, no problem. So if I have like this single quote, hello, that's fine. Python is happy, no problem. If I have double quotes, hello, also Python is happy, no problem. If I say print as well, I am happy. I run it. Also, Python is very happy with us. So here, this is a way to overtake problem of having a single quote inside a double quote. So what if I say, mom said be safe. Oops, sorry about that. Mom said be safe, right? So if I print it, mom said be safe, and I also see the double quotes here. So my only problem with Python would be if I use same kind of quotes in the same line. If I say print, and then let me copy that here. And instead of that, I print that here, and instead of that, I'm gonna use the double quotes. So I have double quotes. So if I run this the cell, I have a problem, I have a mistake. It gives me syntax error, and then it shows where the syntax error is located. I have something that is not correct here. Okay, so here when I use the double quotes in and out, Python had a problem because it doesn't make the difference between my intention and the real syntax rule. So the syntax rule says if you have an opening double quote or a single quote, it must go through the string until it meets the second double quote. Once it met that second double quote, what happens? It stopped the string. It says, okay, the string stops here. So for Python, that first part is okay, it's correct, because it has the opening double quotes and the closing double quotes. Okay. Are we clear? And then Python goes further. She finds a white space here and some text here as well. So the text needs to be somehow a key, as we said last time, and we're going to go further in that later, so you don't have to worry if you missed that part. Or it needs to be in quotes, and there shouldn't be any spaces between the one string. Like I cannot write a string and space and another string, even if I use the quotes. We're going to learn that as we go along, so you don't have to worry. So for Python, we have a problem starting from here. As we said, Python is very, very picky and stubborn. very hard-headed. She will not move one step further the problem unless you solve your problem. Python goes line by line, character by character. She's interpreting character by character, compiling everything together. Okay, stacking them up on top of each other so that she could like read and interpret, and then at the end have the machine language, the machine code correct and verified so that the processor of your machine can process it. So Python will stop here and will point out at, okay, you have a problem here. Your first string stops here and whatever comes after is just nonsense. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so this is why if you want to use double quotes at the beginning and the end, then the inside quotes, which are part of your string, it needs to be single of a different kind. So outside quotes, they have to be similar. Inside quotes can be anything but the outside quotes. And when I say anything but the outside quotes, because I have another type of quotes, which is the triple quote. And this is the only language that has the triple quotes. As far as I know, maybe other languages, they borrowed this, but in Python, you can have triple quotes, triple single quotes, triple double quotes, triple single, triple double. So now I have three kind of quotes: single quotes, double quotes, and triple single and triple double. So triple quotes anyway. Okay, is that point clear? So if I write triple quotes, so these are the opening triple quotes, then I need closing triple quotes. So in total, if I have an empty string, I need to see 6 single quotes, and remember that. Okay, with the single quote and double quote, when we write a string, it must be on the same line. Okay, but for the triple quotes, we can write a whole dialogue. Hello? Hey, what's your name? My name is Neo. Let's print that and see. Look at that. I have my dialogue exactly the same way I wrote it here in my script, right? So this helps me have my string on multiple lines. So single quote, double quote, it doesn't do that. Once I hit enter with a single quote or a double quote, it means my statement is finished. So if I say print here, hi, my name is Neo. If I hit it, I have a problem. End of line error. It's a syntax error, EOL, end of line. Your line shouldn't be ending like this, bro, right? And you will see it's highlighted. That line is not correctly ended because I'm using single quotes. All right, thank you. How about I write that in double quotes? Would that change anything? No, I have the same error, single or double. The only way I don't have any errors if I have triple quotes. Triple quotes are very useful in that case. Triple quotes, we can use them in something called docstring. So we're going to learn later docstrings, but just to give you an idea, every function, every method, built in or not, could and should have a docstring. A docstring is a definition of what the function is doing. We're going to go in the lesson of functions and learn in details what functions and methods are, and they are the same thing. Thank you guys very much. Apologies if I took a little bit of your time.